What's up guys, this is your boy SA Random. I am a part 1 of video. I showed you how to upgrade your RAM. Part 2 of this video, I will show you how to upgrade your hard drive. So with this laptop, I got this type of hard drive installed. It's called a NVMe hard drive or M2.2. I think I can't remember the specific name. It's something like this along the lines. But I got that still like actual hard drive SSD. Because this is only like 120 gigs, it's not very much. I needed like a 1 TB SSD. I had one anyways from old laptop, but the Asus did not provide me with a kit. Now some Asus laptop come with a kit, mine didn't for some reason, depending on market or where you live in for some reason. So I had to buy this from China actually. There was some around on eBay, but they're very flimsy cable and they didn't work. Literally, I just put the cable in. Okay, so this is the legit kit, the legit good quality kit. The one I had, the connect. Just show you now, if you can focus. Like, this connection right here came up. It literally just came off, just broke into. Even then when I connected it, it just did not recognize. I reset my laptop, everything, could not find it. So I recommend this kit. I will leave it in the link below where you can buy it from if it's still available. So literally, what comes with the kit is so hard drive not included, obviously. So it comes with these two rubber stoppers, like so. It comes with the connector, and also it comes with like a what you call it, a carrying case, or a different one. But because I have this one already on it, I just didn't bother with it. So you will get like the rubber stoppers, the connection kit, and a cage as well for it. So literally all you do is first off put your rubber stoppers on. Let me get a wide angle view of this. So literally all you do is put your rubber stoppers on like so. This should just make sure it doesn't move around in the laptop, like so. Get your connector. Make sure, let me zoom back in. Make sure this bit, the bigger size, lines up with the bigger size on your SSD. Literally like so. Just push it all down, make sure it's nice and secure. Let me just show the connector. So here's the connector. I know it's a bit hard to see, but literally, let me just zoom right into that connector. Just give me 1 second, let me adjust it. So as you can see, the connector has these two little grooves, just that little notch there, which lines up the little notch in the connection. So it just should fit in like a glove. So it should fit in like so. Connection goes down and that's it, that's in. So let me just check again. Yep, it's in. It lines up, connection down and done. That's it. I know it looks a bit wonky in the camera, but that's just the camera. I advise you, I will tell you now, it's not wonky on the, well, it's not wonky. I don't know what I'm saying. I lost my train of thought. Anyways, the connection's there. So let me just give you a close-up view of this. So I'll just take this back out again and just zoom right in. You can see it does line up with the connectors right there. Oh, it's a daisy. So let me just do this again. Okay, let me put my camera down. So yeah, it does line up. Okay, come on, use in before. There, it lines up, is in, it's secure. So yeah, that's how easy it is to upgrade your hard drive in the Asus Vivibook 15. If yours does come with the kit, that's great. If it doesn't, then you have to buy it separately. But make sure it's the right one. Don't buy the cheap, flimsy one. Yes, the cheap ones, they're cheap for a reason. They don't work. I tried it, my came broken. Then I found this kit, which is a bit better kit, which came with the rubber stoppers and the cage, and it's working fine for me. So yeah, so this has been your boy SA Random. I hope you like this video. If you have, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and see you next time. Oops, it is. Was not meant to do that. I was meant to do this.